See something.
Sampai kepada Yes. Second station.
Is the dragonfly. I went to a village and they said, we have nothing. And I said, what's that up there? They said, oh, that's a dragonfly. I said, tell me a story about the dragonfly. And they said, oh, I know. And they said, when I was a little boy, and I had a sore stomach, my grandmother would catch a dragonfly and put it in my belly button, and I would get better. And they told me this story. It's very interesting.
I am Fina Islami, so I come from East Lombok, which is West Sakra. So I come from also Pak Darwis Pengkalamas. I got this project which is I called Bebubus, and then I do this project and I will present it today, and hopefully it's gonna be published on entire world. Thank you.
Nah, Ahmad Sukirman ini tidak terpengaruh oleh perkembangan pariwisata, tetapi Ahmad Sukirman ini dengan kegiatannya untuk mempertahankan pariwisata budaya justru memberikan dampak positif bagi pariwisata di Sati Batu itu. Siapakah Ahmad Sukirman ini? Bagaimana dia? Itu bisa kita lihat jika kita berkunjung ke tempatnya yang disebut dengan Balai Adat atau yang kami kenal dengan House of Wisdom.
Alhamdulillah saya mendapatkan manfaat yang sangat banyak sekali, terutama pengetahuan yang tidak pernah saya dapatkan ketika di lapangan di sini. Jadi saya mikir, oh ya ternyata gitu. Jadi saya banyak sekali mendapatkan manfaat di sini, maksudnya ilmu-ilmu yang tidak pernah saya pikirkan ke depannya. Jadi saya dapatkan di sini dan saya terinspirasi dengan itu.
So this course tries to see and to help people in villages to understand that and to develop their own stories and to tell stories about the nature and the history and the heritage, the very rich history and heritage that every village has in Indonesia.